Okay, next we have log of x minus 2 equals y. What's the base?
10.
Very good. So right off the bat, if you don't see a base, you know it's going to be 10. Your exponent is going to be y, right? And your result is x minus 2. You put all that together, and you should be able to convert it to exponential form. So there's your base. You know it's 10 because that's assumed it's 10 when it's not there. So ultimately, this will become y. Is anyone going to give me the answer when you convert it to exponential form? Good. 10 to the y equals x minus 2. There's just labeling them, but I think you guys kind of already get the point by now of how to convert. So there's your answer. 10 to the y equals x minus 2. Just takes a little bit of practice. Now when you write your result out, you don't have to put parentheses around it. Once you write it on the other side, you can if you want. And that's because it's by itself. Parentheses just help for reference when it's next to something. When it's by itself, you don't have to put it there.
Is there any number equation